we three have been tasked with filling this disposal unit with this chair. Attempt number 1, Cody. Go for it. The chair remains intact. Report. We have 2 large cracks from Cody's. Oh, that's nice.
I did some damage to it.
Number 2, Rylee. Go for it. Oh! Okay! What? What is this? There's nothing left!
There's some left to it.
Alright.
Attempt number 3 is Hunter Davis. Go. Alright. Still standing.
What the heck? Alright.
Well, this happens.
It's still sort of intact.
Dang it.
Okay.
Okay, this is try number 4, all of us. Wait. Okay. Move it more over here then. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, did you have that? Let me see it.
Wait. Okay, go for it.
Go for it, Rylee.
Nothing.
Ow. It fights back.
Did it.
Boys,
I do believe Mr. Chair is dead.
we've done it.
Look at this. Look at this. What even is this?
That's
Here, wait.
it was chair at one point.
Yeah,
I'm gonna fix it.
can I fix it?
I'm gonna fix it. Put it back together. No.
Rylee, you want to tell you?
Chair and failure, but wait,
hold up.
stop it.
Yeah.
Now you can stop it. Yeah.
That was what my first step was.
Atta Cody.
Hunter said no. I'm gonna tell you not.
I'm not gonna have you Hulk stomp it because it's gonna impale your booty.
It's probably best for me. Yep. It is now dead.
Alright guys. I'm sorry, Chair.
Yeah,
We loved you.
we did. Actually, we didn't really know you.
Yeah, we just met you a few minutes ago.
Yeah, we did.
And you're a
Hey,
pretty
we got
cool guy, but you know what? We had to put you in.
Smoking stick.
We had to put you in.
Smoking stick.
We got some Harry Potter ones. Look at this.
Yeah, we got a Harry Potter one. I want this one. I want this one.
Oh, it's not gonna work.
Get off my work. Oh,
Alright?
ah, yeah, baby.
If you want, you can have this one. I already have one.
We have wands. Freaking got
Ow!
one. Oh.
No, I'm good. I'm good.
Okay. This is like game over, guys.
I thought I got to split it.
Alright, guys. In memory of Chair. Goodbye.
Let's take a moment of silence.
In the eyes of the angel. Goodbye, my friend.